2014. Height 3 feet, weight around 45 pounds, reddish blonde hair, hazel eyes, and last seen wearing a lime green Gap shirt, khaki pants, and red Jordan shoes. Police are looking for Christopher Allen Tonder, white, male, 36 years old, date of birth June 17, 1981, height 5 feet 9 inches, weight 175 pounds, brown hair, hazel eyes, and last seen wearing a t-shirt and blue jeans with a tribal tattoo on the left arm, in connection with this abduction. The suspect is driving a blue 2005 Kia Optima with a Texas license plate number of HB South 5560 with the New England Patriots sticker on back window. The suspect was last heard from in Midland, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Midland County Sheriff's Office at 432-688-4623. News media point of contact is Midland County Sheriff's Office at 432-688-4600.
Your local forecast. Tonight, partly cloudy.
That one's already set. Alright, now I can turn my FM back on. I was waiting for that to come in. Alright.